Barkan ku. A cikin wannan bidiyo ɗin zan yi magana a kan section a cikin HTML da kuma amfanin su. A lokacin da muka fara tutorial ɗin nan mai magana cewa duk code ɗin da za ka rubutawa, it's always up to the way you write it to show the level of professionalism and also the ultimate goal. Saboda akwai yadda za ka kai development ɗin HTML website wanda zai iya helping in audience, wanda zai helping in client ɗinka ya samu more traffic. That with wa'annan website ɗin suna, they have more reach basically, right? So kuma abubuwan da ke sa su suna samun more reach ne daga yadda developer ɗin ko programmer ɗin ya yi developing ɗin wannan website ɗin. So from the kind of tags you use, instead of in places that you need to use strong keyword, so don't use a bold keyword in those kind of things. All those small things, they mean a lot to a website and they make it more optimal website in terms of reaching a more higher audience. So I use magana akan section, and wa'annan suma is a very important thing when idan kana developing in wannan ɗinka, and this will be our last topic or our last discussion in regard to HTML basics, inshallah. Then I'll be seeing in the HTML in the CSS part of this series. So declaring, we have three sections, right, of HTML, right? We have the header section, we have the main section, and the footer section, right? So idan za ka declare in header section ɗinka, za ka declare it as header, right? Just header keyword. So you see here, it's have already created header. So what are the things that goes into one header section? So header section include like our H1, which is the heads, right? Our H1, basically our nav tag, our H1, our navigation tag, which is all those navigation tag, right? Our logo, if our logo, we'll be having our all those logos. I mean, things that are all those long things that are in these places. So come on here, for example, since it's at the head, we can put our HR here. All these tags, they go into one header. All this maybe welcome to our what do you call it, welcome to my page, right? Nav tag. So there's a navigation tag. You put all this content in the navigation tag. So all these go into the header tag. That's the thing. And second thing, right, we have the main tag, right? Main tag. So main tag shine abubuwan da za ka rubuta a cikin main. What are the main things? Those are the P or the P tag, those are the P tag, those are the images, basically the main content. The main content in one, the main content in one and inka, the main content in website inka, whatever the images, the text, everything goes into the one, which is the main current brackets. So then we have the last one, which is the footer, right? Footer section, right? In our footer section, right, basically abubuwan da muke sa shine kamar zamu creating forms, right? Basically our contact, basically our p tag we create p tag also here where our contact goes there, our address of the content. Basically all these things goes into one and make it a footer tag there. So kuma shi footer tag zai taimaka mana ne a gaba ɗaya da inda dai ka gane wannan generally section keyword in code sections idan ka yi divided the website ɗinka into section, zai allow it then idan mutane za su sa Google ko mutane suna da some certain information, so search machine, it will be able to understand this content is mainly from the section. Okay, this content is from the header section, this content is from the footer section, and this content is from the what do you call it, from the what do you call it? We can say this content is from the header. An example of this, Shini, for example, now, what can we say? Maybe let's say another Google form. Let's say Nigeria. Let's say, for example, how many? I mean, how many? This is a Google, right? And I say in Bako analogy in the one and sections in they are really important. For example, I'm okay. How many states Nigeria have, right? So za ga Google abinda Google zai yi shine ko zai ɗauki wani information zai nuna mana specific information ɗin. So once wannan information ne, it's got it from a certain website. Bari ku ga abinda zai faru. Idan muka yi nan ne kun ga cewa wannan ya nuna maka okay, we have 36 states in Nigeria ko ba haka ba, ya kawo mana wa'innan information ne. So ya ake Google it was able to highlight all this. So idan kuka story a nan za ku ga cewa the main source in wannan information is on this website, which is called Wikipedia. Ko ba haka, Wikipedia is a certain website which they store those information, and Google, the search engine, take those information and display to you here without you not needing to go through the website link and everything, right? So idan muka danna website din nan za ku gane idan muka yi story kun ga cewa saboda we are using it just highlighted a certain content in the place. Kun ga abin da nake cewa. So you see this place is considered as the main, right? Saboda sun yi amfani da kalar wannan keyword din cewa okay, this is the main. So that's why the search engine was able to locate this information. Okay, this information was stored in the main tag and in the main part of the website. So okay, this information is there. So it was able to highlight. This highlight that was being done is not done by the website. It was done by the the web machine. And all this information from the top, which is the states of Nigeria, all this information are considered to be in the header part of the website. So that's it. And we can scroll down for those that are mainly, you see all this information. This page was latest edited in September 7. So you see, right, all this information which are on that here are basically what do you call it? Under the filter tag. So I hope kun gane wannan concept and I will see you in the next video in the next series in the zamu fara concept in CSS inshallah. Sai na ganku. Assalamu alaikum.